The Edsel is a Negroni Sbagliato variation created by Shannon Ponce, or Punch. Anyway, she's a New York City bartender that worked at Leyenda and Clover Club. I'm assuming she made this drink at both. I don't know. But you know what I've realized about today's cocktails? All of them have been bangers, like bangable cocktails, okay? And then all of them have been really easy to put together. So you guys that don't like to have a very hard cocktail to put together, you guys are in luck today.
I mean, the one with the oleosaccharum stuff was kind of complicated.
Oh, there's a little, okay, making the oleosaccharum is not that complicated. It's a couple extra steps though, for sure. First thing we're gonna do is, since I got 1 ounce of Ancho Reyes Regulario, then we're gonna do 1 ounce of Oloroso Sherry. I like how much sherry is utilized in the Leyenda cocktails though. They really do a lot of sherry and I do like it. And then we're gonna do 1 ounce of Campari. We're just gonna stir this right in the glass. I'm not even doing a big rock or anything. I'm just gonna make this real easy. Real easy. Fill that glass up with ice. Drop some ice on the ground. Fill it up, smack it up. You have like another smaller piece. You're gonna have to cut a smaller piece. It's kind of big, but we can make it fit. Barfly spoon.
Yeah. It's been a while since we used that one.
Actually, we don't want that much ice in here anyway, because we've got to put our Sbagliato in the Negroni. Just stir it to chill. So typically I would want to put the effervescent soda in, like the effervescent, not soda in this case, but material, the effervescent liquid in here first. But for Sbagliatos, I like it to layer on top for looks, and then you can give it a little stir when you drink it to incorporate. But for aesthetics, it's kind of nice to have it layer on top, because then you get like the clear to red sort of gradient in there. So I make rules and then I break my own rules. That's how that goes, depending on the, that's the thing I like about bartending though, and like cocktail creation, is that like, there are all these rules until you want to do things differently, and then you break the rules. But you have to learn the rules first before you then break them, because then you break them in a sensible way, if that makes sense.
That applies for everything, doesn't it?
I guess, yeah. Then we just do our Sbagliato on top, like so. Now let's mix it and taste it now that we've gotten all that we need for, ooh, I love a Negroni Sbagliato. I'm very excited about this. I feel like it's gonna be nutty, a little bit spicy. You get that ancho, like ancho chili sort of flavor, and then the Campari adding that much needed bitterness. Oh, baby. Yep, I'm right about all those things. You have this little underlying spice with and you got the ancho chili flavor. It's nice and bitter from the Campari. A little of the effervescence and dryness from the champagne. And then on top of that, you get a little bit nuttiness, like a tart nuttiness from the Oloroso Sherry. It's a very inspired tableau of flavors. So there it is, guys, the Edsel.